Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for coming by. Today I finally have my Boxycharm. I am so excited. Although this is the ever incredibly shrinking box. It seems like it's getting a little smaller each month. That doesn't mean it's not packed with good stuff though. In case you don't know, Boxycharm is a $21 per month beauty subscription where you generally get 4 to 5 full-size products. And if you sign up for Boxycharm every third month, which we have one coming in September, you can receive Boxyluxe, which is 8 to 9 full-size products. And that has a value of more than $250. This has a value of more than $150. But let's get in here and see what I've got. I cannot wait. I feel like I've been watching everybody else's unboxings and just wondering which variation I was going to get. So I can't wait to see. So let's get in here, and I have variation number 2, which I do not know what that means yet, but we are about to find out. So that is this month's theme. It is totally Boxycharm, and it's pretty in pink, and we have everything on the back. I have to tell you, looking at the back of this, if I could have picked a variation, I think this is the box I would have built. I think that's like the second month in a row that that's happened with me with Boxycharm. So I'll take my luck while it lasts. Let's dig in and see what I've got. Right on top, I have the Ace Beaute or Ace Beaute eyeshadows. And I got them in the pink and silver. You know, the other variation, they are kind of a rusty color and lighter rusty color. And for my skin tone, the pink and silver works so much better. That's what they look like. And this says Ace Beaute. Is it Beaute or Beaute? I think Beaute because there's no over the E. Actually, there is on the packaging, not on this. Glimmer Shadow Duo. High pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. $25 for the set, I would imagine. Well, let's get in here and look at them with the lids off and then swatch them. A lot of people have compared these to the Super Shock shadows from ColourPop, and I have some of the Super Shock shadows, so we will see. But that's what they look like. So pretty with their lids off. Oh, they do kind of feel, they're not quite as moist feeling. Oh, the pink one is more moist feeling, but they're not quite as moist feeling as the ColourPop. Oh my gosh. The color on these, you can probably see from back here, is fantastic. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I will definitely use these. That's silver. I love that it is super shiny and it has glimmer. But it's not, this, you look at this and you think, oh, that's going to be chunky. This is not chunky. It is gorgeous. I don't think, yeah, my eyes, I have too much shine on my eyes already. Can you have too much? Let's just put a little up there and see. It does feel really, oh wow. Can you guys tell the difference in the silver that I've added there? It for sure is not going to have fallout, I would say, because it is not chunky. And it is, can you tell I added it? Well, that's fun. I cannot believe that I got this and I got the colors I wanted. So exciting. All right, let's get in and see what I have next. Right on top, Big Ego from Tarte. And it is the new Tarte, is it new? I said new like I knew that, but I don't know. It is the Tarte mascara. I used, and I've probably told this story, so sorry if it's a repeat for you. I used Tarte Lights Camera Lashes for a very long time. Actually, probably up until I started doing all of these beauty unboxings because it was absolutely my favorite. So I'm anxious to try a new Tarte mascara. Wow, look at the pink on that. That is some bright pink. It is so pretty. It is heavy. It feels very much like the Better Than Sex mascara tube. I'm going to take it out because I'm going to use it. That is a huge wand. It's got that nice hourglass shape. That's going to be a hard one. I mean, can you tell relative to the size of my eye? That is huge. That is going to be very difficult to use on lower lashes. But it doesn't matter because I have that gorgeous Hank and Henry mascara. I love that. And the beauty is at the other end of the wand, there's a very fine, small wand that is So perfect for bottom lashes. Let's see what the paperwork says about this. Tarte Big Ego Mascara, an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. And it has a $23 value. Look at the difference in that girl's lashes. If even half of that is true, I cannot wait. Let's see what's next. I have a Steve Laurent lip pencil. And that's what the pencil looks like. Let's see what it says. Steve Laurent lip liner. Reshape and resize and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is totally magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof. So no transferring or bleeding all day. Lasts up to 7 hours. $15. Wow, 7 hours on a lip pencil? I hope that's true. All right, well, let's get a good swatch of this and see what we think. Oh, I'm still kind of sparkly from my... Oh, it's really sharp. It's a little dry, but I think with some patience, it's kind of a nice berry color. That's a great lip liner color. Let's see how it applies to your line. One of the boxes that I did yesterday said that you could do, a tip was to do your lip line afterwards. And I've tried it both times now, and I find that it's difficult because the lip liner doesn't want to adhere to your lip because you've got lipstick on. I think I actually did get a little bit of line out, but it's a great color for me, that's for sure. This is such a great, I can't believe I got this variation. Next, I have the Becca. Uh-oh, let's see what color I got in the Becca. Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. What color did I get? I don't know, we're gonna have to rip into it. There is a natural, original, translucent. Well, I say original, but translucent for me is original. Or you could get the bronzer. I did. Man, guys, this box is killing it. This is the Becca Hydra Mist, and it is a nice large size, and it's pretty full. It says Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth and visible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. It has a $39 value. Well, we are definitely getting in here. It says, keep me closed to keep me cool. So it is important, and that lifts up, so it is important that you put that back down, or I guess that water / glycerin will evaporate, and you'll be left with regular powder. Well, it's got another seal on it. We're gonna take it off, and it pulled up through the inside. I'm gonna show you this. I don't know if you can see it. It's got a mesh filter, and then it just lets a little bit up. It feels moist. That is amazing. Let's see. Alexandria Ryan, who, if you don't follow, you should. She is hilarious. Did a Insta where she showed it, and it had a little bit of flashback. It feels wet, even just off my finger. Oh my goodness. For the summer, that would be so refreshing. Oh, I can't wait to try this. That is so exciting. I am so glad that I got the translucent color and it snapped down so you know when it's good and closed. So be sure and do that. The beauty is, yesterday, and I'm going to reach behind me, I'll be right back. I received in my Try It Like It box from QVC, which I'll put the link here, a small one of this exact same thing. So I will put that in my giveaway. So now we each have one. Yay, one for me, one for you. So exciting. Okay, and last but not least, and it's something we knew we were getting because everybody is getting it. I think the same with the Becca, you just didn't know which color. The Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. And this is what that looks like. And that's what the top looks like. This says, Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy and youthful complexion, no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use just one drop at a time. It has a $42 value. Wow. This box really kept it coming with the value. That is excellent. That's how the top looks when you get it in here. Let's see if you can literally get one drop on it. Oh, for sure. Oh, it's pink. That is cool. Actually, now that it's up there, you can see can you see in the nozzle that it's pink? That is so cool. And that's it on the back of my hand. Let's rub it in. It smells just kind of floral, kind of skincare smell is what I always like. Wow, that one drop would easily do your face. The back of my hand looks it looks primed. The oil, there's no, for those of you hesitant who might have oily skin who are getting this, there is absolutely no oily feel to this. I mean, not like, oh, not much. There's none. There's no oily feel. My hand feels really hydrated and nice, but not even a little bit oily. You can barely see a glow. There's a little bit of glow to it, but it looks like it would be a great primer. My skin looks really smooth and it feels fantastic. Okay, so that is my box. I had another great month, guys. I mean, between my Ipsy box, which I just did a couple days ago, and this, it was a great month. I have, oh my goodness, I feel kind of bad. I have nothing to share out of this box. I will use every one of these products. I cannot even tell you the last time that happened. We have this nice Wander Beauty illuminating oil that is not oily. Don't panic. This nice Tarte Big Ego mascara, we'll definitely use it. This Steve Laurent lip pencil, have already used it. This nice Becca, did I show you guys the box? Hydra Mist powder that feels so cooling and moist and nice. And I gotta put those down. And the Ace Beauty eyeshadows, which do feel kind of like Super Shock. I was gonna say Sugar Shock. They do feel like the Super Shock from ColourPop. So that's very nice. I love it all. So this was a great box, totally Boxycharm. And it had a $144 value, and I will use every one of the products. I mean, this Becca alone is $39, $21 box. Thanks so much for coming by, guys. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have a new video coming out, and I will see you really soon. Have a great weekend.